As the corona outbreak grips the nation, everything has come to a standstill. But social distancing is the need of the hour, and like most of our fellow Indians, we too have been working from our homes, waiting for this corona wave to pass and daydreaming about some of the exciting cars we will get to drive once things normalize. Here are the 5 cars that we are eager to drive once the lockdown is lifted, starting with the ones that we almost missed. The new Creta is more premium, more feature-packed, and it comes with Hyundai's Blue Link technology featuring 50 connected car features. The second generation model also gets a set of new BS6 compliant petrol and diesel powertrains borrowed from the Kia Seltos. Options include a pair of 1.5-litre petrol and diesel engines, along with a 1.4-litre GDI turbocharged petrol motor. And it is the turbo petrol unit with 138 brake horsepower that makes it the most powerful Creta yet. Currently, the SUV is priced in a range of 9,99,000 rupees to 17,20,000 rupees. The Volkswagen T-Roc is a part of Skoda-led Volkswagen India's SUV offensive, under which the company plans to launch 10 new SUVs in the next 2 years. We were the first ones to tell you that the T-Roc is coming to India this year. So you can understand our eagerness to get behind its wheel. Based on its versatile MQB platform, the T-Roc carries a very familiar yet sporty design language, which is complemented by the 1.5-litre TSI Evo petrol engine that is tuned to make 147 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of peak torque. The motor is of course paired with a tried and tested 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. The SUV is priced at 19,99,000 rupees ex-showroom India. The new city made its global debut in Thailand in November 2019, and it comes with a Civic-inspired design language that looks way more upmarket than the outgoing model. Featuring an all-new exterior design, the car comes with LED headlamps and tail lamps and dual-tone alloy wheels, while the cabin is all set to get plenty of upgrades, including a new layout for the dashboard wrapped in soft-touch material. Honda is yet to announce a launch date. And as for this one, it was truly a big surprise for us when it was showcased at the 2020 Auto Expo. With the next generation Duster still a couple of years away and Renault deciding to phase out diesel engines, the car maker had to do something to make this exciting model a bit more exciting. And a turbocharged engine is certainly the right way to go. It is an all-new 1.3-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine that is tuned to churn out 153 brake horsepower and develop 250 Nm of peak torque. However, considering this will just be an additional variant to the existing lineup, visually the Duster will remain unchanged. And as for the last but certainly not the least, yet another car that we were happy to see at the Auto Expo 2020, the Skoda Rapid 1.0 TSI, also comes as a variant addition to the car's existing lineup. Tuned to make about 108 brake horsepower and 175 Nm of peak torque, the engine comes mated to a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Visually, the car will remain unchanged, and it is likely to be based on the top-of-the-line style variant of the existing Rapid sedan, offering features like 16-inch clubber alloy wheels, LED daytime running lamps, rear diffuser and a trunk spoiler among the others. So yes, we are itching to get our hands behind the wheel of all these cars and more. But Meanwhile, we are all staying home and also staying safe. Hope you all are too.